Alright guys, we're here in Washington and I'm waiting for Alondra to wake up because she's been sleeping already for like 3 hours straight and she's still knocked out. Wake up and let's go.
I'm tired.
Alright, well I'm gonna show you guys the view real quick. Over here to the water. This is part of the North Pacific Ocean, so we're here in the edge of the map.
Hello. We're gonna go feel the water and see how cold it is. Still no whales.
Nope. No whales yet.
I love my food.
No one's gonna steal your food, dude.
Guys.
Dude, I got sandals on.
You're a dummy.
I can fall even worse than you.
Huh?
Actually, my sandals are pretty flat. That it's like being on my feet.
Allah, I just broke my foot.
We should have gone through the other side, but we can go through here too. So just go down through there.
Put your feet in there.
In where?
In the beach.
Should I? Here, hold this thing. Touch it with my toe.
Oh, you got socks on, weirdo? Oh shit. Mami, me asustó, casi me muero.
¿Y eso?
Me iba a caer al agua.
En el océano.
¿Por dónde van? Ay, no, mujer, te vas a caer al agua. Retírate bien porque el agua los llama.
Ya me llamó.
Yeah, it calls me.
Look what is that?
No, what?
Oh,
No,
is that-
you're still recording, huh?
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Dude, give me your phone. What is your phone?
I'll throw it, dude. I'll throw it over there.
Give me it. Go.
I got your keys. Imagine Phil was on.
Give me. It's calling you. That's what my mom said. It calls you when you get in.
What is up, guys? So we're here in Seattle.
What it do, guys?
What is up? What it do, guys? We're here in Seattle, Chinatown. Alondra over here, and right now we're walking. Basically just looking around right now, trying to see what places there are or what we can go to and check it out. It's not that cold, a little chilly, that's why we're wearing a sweater. Alondra over there
With my expensive
with her expensive
$60 sweater.
straight from Glacier. She bought it from Glacier, so it cost like $60. So yeah, there's probably like a center somewhere, but there's a little thing. Okay, you see me?
Okay, so we're at Ping's Dumplings House thing here in Chinatown in Seattle. We got some Napa cabbage and pork dumplings. So we're just waiting for them to get here so we can try.
Nice. Are you excited for that?
Yes, I am. Oh, I want one of these lunch boxes. This would be dope. Okay, so we just got our hot stickers. Oh no, dumplings. Right here. We're gonna eat them in a second. Here they are. Can you open?
Dump it. Check it out. Andre, you're not recording nothing.
Oh, yeah.
How is it?
Okay, guys. So we're driving to the Grey's Anatomy Hospital right now. I forgot what it's actually called. But yeah, so we're gonna drive. We're actually leaving Chinatown and going to go to this hospital. I'm not sure if we're able to go inside, but we'll definitely get the outside. We're almost to the hospital. I've never been this excited to actually go to a hospital. We are at the hospital right now, guys. I want to get the view that they get from like the outside.
Yeah, but look.
When the show starts.
No, you should have got Harbor View. This is right there on the thing.
Emergency.
Wanted to join the sport. What is it called? Fast walking. All right, go. All right, calm down, dude. Yeah, we're out here, downtown Seattle, or Seattle, downtown, whatever. We have to return to the car because we forgot to lock it.
You forgot.
Look at that little guy over there.
What?
Oh, 10-1. All right, we're trying to go to this Ferris wheel place. So we think it's over here. And there's a Ferris wheel. It's crossing the road now. We hear drums over there. Something going on over there. So this is like the Seattle Bay, something.
Right.
I don't know what kind of jump that was. I want to jump.
You gotta go louder.
It is one of the worst I've ever heard.
Hello everyone, good morning. We are making some, wait, I can't see it because there's no light. Frijoles con huevo for today. And Jose made some hash brown potatoes, some coffee. And we got 4 huevos left. So yeah, that's what we're gonna almorzar for today. And then we are going to go hike. Right, Jose? What are we gonna do today?
Hike.
With enthusiasm.
We're gonna go hike. And we're gonna go explore the world.
you're like
That's
how,
what Gladys wanted to do.
dude, go how they start in Glee. You know how they're talking and all of a sudden they start singing and dancing. Go.
Wait, what?
In Glee. We are on our way out of this park. We are going to go to Mount Rainier now.
Mount Rainier. Where did Alondra?
Oh, right there, right there.
Alright guys, so we are here now. We're about to take this trail. It took us forever to find it. Well, actually it took us forever to find a parking. And we raced to this parking with another guy coming the opposite way. So we were like both like coming full speed trying to park here, and I beat him. But yeah, so we're gonna head out right now, and we'll catch you guys on the trail. Peace!
So every mile was like about 35 minutes.
What's up, guys?
Estamos at this waterfall.
We're barely gonna hear you. It's really quite loud.
Let's continue. We're here in the snow, everyone. Okay. It's like ice. It's not even snow. It's like icy. See? Everyone. Perdí la mano, perdí la mano. What was that?
I don't know.
No.
We out here in we're already in July.
I'm trying to take a
We're out
picture.
here in the snow. Oh, my bad. How do you like the snow in the summer?
I love it.
It's the best feeling. 2 seasons in one,
Ready?
all at
Record
once.
me. Ready?
Go.
What if I hit my... Hello. We are still in the same place.
Still in the same place. We're about to cross the
The
waterfall.
ocean.
Or the ocean. How's your peach, Teeny?
Peachy.
Peachy. Beautiful, beautiful earth. What do you think?
It's good. Okay, we're almost there. We still got a long way to go.
Oh, this is cold. You gotta choose the side that puts you down, you know? In life, people are gonna put you down. You gotta keep going the way that they try to put you down, you know? Don't give up.
To
Don't give up.
prove that they can't put you down.
Exactly. You see
Like
how
they put you down, then you got back up.
you get back up and you follow the way to life, to your goals, to your dreams, no matter how much they put you down. Another one. Deep place.
You gotta walk up like this one.
Alondra, where's your hat? Did you put it on my head? Are you kidding me? So me and Alondra are a little bit lost because the trail is covered by the snow, so we don't really know if it goes that way or this way or where.
We're in the ice age.
That looks fun. I'm about to slide down there.
Go ahead.
I'm sliding down this too, dude. Oh shit! Oh, oh my gosh! It goes so fast. Oh shoot! Alondra, go! Come on! Go through that! Go through that! Just go!
Kiara, get her. Not in the mud. Kiara, turn around, get her. She's coming.
Alondra, come! 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 No, just go!
Yeah, there's. Rock there.
Dude, I was going too fast.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
You can do it? I want to pick up the speed.
Oh shoot.
You're like the slide out guy.
Oh shit.
No te grabé bien. It took forever to like start grabando.
You're kidding. I just went through that.
I got you. I mean, I did.
Do it for the vlog. This is for my fans out there supporting us. I have to do one for you guys. Love you guys. Peace. Peace and love. All right guys, so we're heading back now. We got pretty far, but one of the park rangers told us that it's gonna start raining at 5 over there, close to up there where the glaciers are at. So
We're on the glacier already.
but like higher. So she said it would be better to go back now. But yeah, we're heading to the car now and we'll catch you guys on the road. Peace.
Okay guys, so we are